Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to change image background to white in MS Word. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Word document. Then we want to change image background to white in this document. Firstly we insert a image in this document. Go to the insert menu and click picture option, then choose a picture on our file. Now I choose the picture and insert it. Now we resize the picture small. Now we can see here the image is backgrounded, but we change the image background to white. Click the image and go to the format menu. Now we can see here many options. We find and choose the remove background option. Now we can see here this picture background is automatically selected, but some are not selected. We select this area manually. Click the mark areas to keep and keep area, or make areas to remove. Now we remove the area manually. Then we click the keep change. Now we can see here we change the image background to white very easily. Now we move the image, click the warp text option and choose in front of text. Then we move the image very easily, or resize, or apply some another effect like picture effect style, picture border, picture effect, picture layout, etc. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.